Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to find the MAC address of your PC. So go to settings, then go to network and internet, and depending on your internet type, whether it is a Wi-Fi or Ethernet, select the one you are using. I'm going to Wi-Fi, and in Wi-Fi tab go to hardware properties. Okay, here under the physical address you can see your MAC address. Okay guys, this is a pretty straightforward process. I hope it will be helpful for you. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.